Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are diving deep into a very specific tool for the Android modding community called InxLocker. If you are running a heavily customized device or perhaps a custom ROM that behaves a bit differently when it comes to package management, you might have run into issues with how installers are handled. That is exactly what this module aims to solve. It acts as an InxLocker Xposed module, giving you much tighter control over how apps are installed and verified on your system. So, taking a look at the application package here, this is InxLocker. Under the hood, this module is actually based on the YukiHookAPI. It is lightweight, but it plays a crucial role for users who need to manage installer invocations manually or restrict them for security and stability on modified systems. Getting this on your device is pretty straightforward. You just need to grab the APK file and install it like any other application. Since this is an Xposed module, you obviously need to have your device rooted and an LS-posed environment already set up. Once the APK is installed, the next critical step is activation. Open up your LS-posed Manager app. You should see InxLocker appear in your module list. Go ahead and toggle it on. For this specific module to function correctly, make sure the recommended scope is selected. And then, as always with Xposed modules, give your device a quick reboot to apply the changes. Now that we are booted back up, let's talk about what this actually does. InxLocker allows you to choose how you want to lock the installer process. You have two main approaches here. First, you can choose to lock the system framework entirely for a global locking effect. This is useful if you want a blanket rule for the whole device. Alternatively, you can select specific applications to target. When you do this, InxLocker essentially intercepts the installation request. It invokes the target installer only when needed, preventing unauthorized or accidental background installations from triggering without your explicit go-ahead. This is particularly useful on those heavily customized devices I mentioned earlier, where standard package installers might conflict with system modifications, or where you simply want that extra layer of manual oversight. Instead of the system blindly accepting an install command, this module creates a checkpoint. It ensures that the target installer is invoked specifically when you intend it to be, effectively solving compatibility glitches on non-standard Android frameworks. It puts the control back in your hands regarding what writes to your partition. That is the rundown on InxLocker. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more Android modding guides. Catch you in the next one.